How's it going, folks? I didn't realize I hadn't actually done a walkthrough before on the inside, just the outside. So here goes. Of course, right inside the back door, I've got this entertainment center with adjustable shelves, top and bottom. Move bear. TV area. Now it actually kind of looks like it's deceiving because it's at an angle. It looks like you can get about a 50-inch TV in there. That's not the case. This is only big enough for a 32-inch TV. But it's got your cable hookups and your well, it says satellite, but I think that goes to the antenna still, unless they've unhooked it. In which case I can redo it like I did the one in the other RV. The one in the other RV, I've got the bottom one set for the aerial that you can put up and still get like 50 channels. And then the cable goes to the cable modem. Now it's got this little crappy Jensen deck in here. It's one of these RV house decks. Place for my modem and a DVD player if I want to have one. I don't know what these are. A little desk. Decent sized cabinets underneath. Now, one thing this one has that mine don't, that I actually like, are these little doors on the end of the bench. I'd really rather not have the bench. I'd just as soon have a table and chairs in here. But it is what it is. Now, my buddy at the car lot actually replaced the you replace that? Oh, because it's broken off. Okay. The spout's knocked off of this one, so I'm assuming that's the reason it was swapped out. Either that or it probably leaked. But they also did like I did and replaced the shower head in it. That's the one that came in it. Not a very good or user-friendly one. And they put this one in the Oxygenics, which is what I have in the other one already too. So got two rocking recliners, and they actually are recliners. They're not like the just rocking swivel chairs in the other trailer. Curtains and blinds, and these aren't the cheap little blinds. These are actually a vinyl blind, and they're thick. Nice big spacious cabinets over the rear window. Of course, I got to go through and replace all of those again. That's another $200 for LED lights the whole way through. Actually 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. There's actually 4 more in this one than what I had in my RV. In my other one. This one got the recessed lights in the ceiling, which I like. Not so deep cabinets over the love seat, which that's no big deal. It'd be nice if they were deeper, but they're not, so not making a big deal of it. This actually does fold out into a full-size bed as well. It's not just a futon type thing. Have an actual Dometic refrigerator freezer in this one. The only downside is no shelves in the freezer. So I'm going to contact Dometic and see if I can get them to give me some replacement shelves or sell them to me. I didn't have these on my other one either. I'm not sure. Oh, I guess you put drinks in here. I'm betting that's supposed to actually be in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. But what do I know? And then pretty much the same refrigerator. It's a little bit bigger, but not by much. And instead of having the one drawer in the bottom, I've got two smaller ones and more shelves on the door. Now, this is what I've got to replace that. This is actually a Dometic convection oven microwave combination to replace this GE profile one that's in here. Getting this one out is going to be fun. I'm not really sure how that... Oh, that's a vent hood and everything. Oops. But got a place to put my spices and stuff since I don't have... Well, I've got the overhead too, but it's not as big as the other one. And a place back there to put them. I got countertop to put my my air fryer. Place there I can store stuff. A lot more storage, a lot more cabinet space. Full-size cabinets there and there. This one's not much use because all I got's up the top there. This is where my control panel's at. I got the... It's not marble. I think it's well, it may be stone. I don't know. It feels like a composite, like something that they pre-made. Not super sure what this is for. I'll figure something out for it. Got the two full cabinets under there. And I didn't have any of this in the other trailer. None of it. These are 4 full drawers for me to store all my stuff in too. So, got more space there. Got the a little easier to figure out thermostat. Then we come up here into the bathroom, and I've got a full-on glass shower that the shower head's falling off on. Okay, they got me a metal one. The one I've got's white. And you can raise this up to whatever level you want it raised up to. And I think it's supposed to hold, but it doesn't, obviously. But just the fact that it's a... Where'd all these bugs come from? Doggone potato bugs, and I've found them in here right and left. Got a bigger toilet, which no big deal either way. But I've actually got room to put my legs when I use it. Not a luxury I have in the other one. Kind of a weird sink, but got no complaints on that one. Got the full cabinet in here for my toiletries and stuff, and then that cabinet, the full cabinet for my cleaning stuff. Skylights. And then there's the pocket door that I can close, and also this regular door. Switch right there on the end of the cabinet. There's the aerial for the antennas that way. Oh, there's actually 2 in here. Ugh, I miscounted. I didn't realize there was 2 of those double lights in here. Now, I'm not sure what all this is yet. I've yet to take it out and actually try to figure out what that actually is. And I'm not sure how these lights... Oh, They turn on with the switch on the tops of them. Okay. Now, this one has a pillow top mattress on it that's a lot more comfortable than the one I've got right now. Now, there's the cable and I guess satellite hookups, power, but all you got here is 24 inches. I do have a 42-inch TV that I could put right here and just run the cables down to it. Or a cable down to it. Little overhead. It's not much of a dresser, but there's a dresser and a storage cabinet there. And then we come up here. I mentioned in my last video that I had a little surprise that I don't think even my buddy knew about, and I confirmed it with him. He didn't. This is a fairly decent sized closet. See, it goes all the way back there. And I mean, I can actually walk in this closet and stand. But the thing that my buddy didn't know about, and I didn't find out about until I got it here and back in my lot, is this right here. Now the light sucks in here right now, but I've got a picture of it. They're washer and dryer hookups. Hot and cold for the water, the drain, 2 electrical outlets. Only thing it don't have, and it may be behind that panel right there, there's a little cutout there, is the dryer vent. So, alright, come out. We're trying to camp out in my closet. But I'm assuming these are extra pads like for the sleeper sofa, but I still have no clue what that one's for. Now this trailer does also have the the awnings, or the well, yeah, I guess it is an awning for the each one of the slide outs has its own awning as well. Making sure I shut all the lights off because I don't want to kill the battery in this trailer. Battery's what runs the slide outs. And one thing I will say, this one's not as brightly lit up in the daytime with all the lights off as my other one. Now once the electric's plugged in, should be a way to turn this one on too. This is a regular house fixture. Huh. There should be a way to turn that one on as well. And honestly, I don't know where it is. I'm still learning this. Something I did find interesting though. Up in the ceiling, there's 4 of these. One there, one there, one back there, and one over there. I'm assuming that those are for the stereo. That thing. I guess I could test that out. That's exactly what they are. But you can also route your sound through that. But it sounds like crap, so that's not going to happen. I've got a sound bar that I can put up in here under the television, just that goes all the way across. Matter of fact, I'll probably have to put it in before I put the TV in. And then there's a subwoofer that I'll have to figure out where to put also, that connects to it through Bluetooth. I have to use that with my 32-inch Samsung TV because it's the only TV I have that has digital optical out, and that sound bar will only work with a digital optical out signal. I was about to have to take it back to Best Buy, but I got a pretty good deal on it and it sounds really good. So I'll put the Samsung out here with the sound bar, and I got another little sound bar that would go in the bedroom with the other one. But yeah. Oh, and there's drawers in the steps as well. I don't know what I'll keep in there, but I'll think of something. Seem to find a place for everything eventually. But when these slide outs are pulled in, you've got about a foot between each one of them. And those chairs have got to be put where they're at right now, just like they are right now, in order to not catch the side edge trim of each one of the slide outs. But when they're in place and things all leveled up and ready for use, you can turn them around, pull them out away from the wall a little bit, and kick back and relax. So yeah, I think this will be a lot nicer. Not sure what that vent is up there. I just noticed that. This is broken. There's two little tabs that are supposed to lock this in place. And there's some foam filters that go in there to keep the air filtered out, or keep the dust filtered out from the heat and air unit. Now one in my other RV is busted as well. But last night I found the replacement grill and the replacement filters. So I ordered a set for both RVs because I am going to try and sell the other one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Put my digital lock on here.